What's up, team? Fullest is to get Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how to remove the aloe vera gel from the plants. So as you guys can see, I like to cut my aloe vera into pieces because then it's more easier. I normally get questions like this from my friend, and she will ask me like, how do you remove the aloe vera gel from the plant? Because she bought like this big aloe vera plant, and she wants to use this for her natural hair and for her skin and for other things, but she's finding it a bit difficult in removing the gel. So I tried to explain to her, and I was like, you know what, very soon I'm going to cut my aloe vera plant, and I'm going to be removing the gel from the aloe vera, and I'm going to do a quick video to show you guys. And I thought, you know what, let me just upload this video on YouTube. If anyone else is having issues with this problem, at least I'm not only helping her, I can help other people. So you guys can see I'm going to be making some aloe vera hair mask for my daughter's hair. So that's why I'm using this aloe vera, and I'm going to be doing this for two of the girls, both of them. So I need a lot of aloe vera, because since aloe vera is going to be one of the main ingredients for this hair mask. So I like to cut the aloe vera into pieces, and first what I like to do, I like to remove the side, just cut that side, and then I easily cut the top. And you can just take your knife and easily remove the aloe vera gel. It's very, very simple. It's not that difficult. If you guys just watch the video, you guys can see that it's so simple. It's really, really simple. The only thing is that it's a little bit messy. It's a messy process, a little bit messy process, very slippery. So you just have to be patient and do this. But aloe vera has a lot of health benefits. One thing I love to use aloe vera is, I like to use aloe vera for my skin. I like to use it for my hair, and also if you have like a fresh wound cut, because I do have aloe vera plants in the house. Like, I'm a plant lover, so sometimes when the girls are playing outside and they will fall down or they will cut themselves, what I would do, I would take an alcohol, I would clean the surface just to get rid of any germ and bacterium, and then I would cut some aloe vera. I would take the gel and I would just rub it on the wounded area, and it will also help with the scar. If you have scars on your body, try aloe vera gel with some vitamin E oil, and trust me, you thank me later. I personally, my skin is very different than the skin of my daughter, especially my older daughter. If she have something like, maybe she scratch her leg, she's going to have scar. Mine, I don't really easily have scars on my body. It will disappear easily, but for her it will take time. So normally what I will always do is, if she cut herself, I will use aloe vera. Let's just say, for example, she's playing outside and she fell down accidentally and she got a bruise. I will use aloe vera gel, and for the next few days I will be using aloe vera gel and vitamin E oil, and that really, really helps. So you can use aloe vera for a lot of things. Most time you see people talk about it for hair, but definitely you can use it. You can also use this for skin. I like to just take the plants, like for example, I'll just cut half of the plants, and then I will take the gel and I'll just rub it on my face, just massage it on my face, and I just, like a face mask, and I just love it. So yeah, this is just a quick video, me showing you guys how to get the aloe vera gel from the aloe vera plant, and later on I'm going to show you guys the hair mask that I'm going to be making. So team Fullest, it's just a quick video. Hope you all like this, and I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye.